Okay, hi, I'm Tom from Lime Green Heat. We're here today to talk about how to clean your ash box on your new Mesys pellet boiler. You may have not done this yet because the boiler is new and it's been a few months, but make it easy for you. Your boiler came with an ash container that we put the ash box on in order to empty the ashes, and came with a ash cleaning device which we are going to use to clean the burn plate. What I find is that if you do those two things at the same time, it tends to make your boiler run a lot better. Thanks for your time. Talk to you soon. What we're here to do is to empty this ash box. And this ash box can be emptied at any time that the system is running or not running. You first start by opening the back door, and then you pull the handle out and move it over to the next detented position. That unlocks the bin and allows us to pick the box up and off the base. So next we're going to take this bin and we're going to put it on top of that box. You can see it lines up the angles. It sits on there in just a certain way, but you'll feel it. And then on the back of the bin, again, pull out on the handle, rotate all the way past, keep going around, and you will empty all the ash from inside your ash bin into the ash box. It's a good idea to let it sit for a few minutes so that we can make sure that it's going to settle the ash down. While you're doing that, we'll take the ash cleaning tool and show you how to clean the burn plate. So we've cleaned the burn plate, we've emptied the ash bin. We will again pull out on the handle, turn this box around until we come to the stopped position, and then we can remove the bin. Again, being careful with the ash. Set it back onto the base and lock it back down.